The small town of Oster is situated on the picturesque banks of the Desna River. This ancient town is located in the Chernihiv region of Ukraine, on the left bank of the Desna River, where it flows into the Dnipro. Modern Oster is one of the oldest towns in Ukraine, with a population of almost 6,000. It was first mentioned in 1098. The town was founded by Grand Prince Volodymyr Monomakh of Kiev under the name of Horodets. Later it passed to his son, Prince Yuri Dovgoruki, the founder of Moscow. Oster was located at the crossroads of important trade routes leading from the northern principalities to Byzantium. Throughout the history of Kiev Rus, the city was destroyed several times during princely feuds. The last destruction occurred during the Tatar invasion of Mengu and Batu Khans in 1240. At the beginning of the 14th century, a new settlement called Oster appeared near the Desna River. The Desna River, with its picturesque shores and beautiful beaches, attracts holidaymakers from all over Ukraine. Its length within Ukraine is almost 590 kilometers. It flows through the Sumy, Chernihiv, and Kiev regions and empties into the Dnipro near the city of Kiev. In terms of catchment area, the Desna is the second largest of the Dnipro's tributaries. The left bank of the river is low and the right bank is high. The flow rate of the river is very high, especially for a shallow river. Ukrainian cities such as Novhorod-Siversky, Chernihiv, and Oster are located on the banks of the Desna. More than 35 species of fish can be found in the Desna and its tributaries. These picturesque resorts near the town of Oster have been popular since Soviet times. In 1982 alone, more than 10,000 people visited the local tourist centers. But for the ordinary people who lived in the area, these facilities were out of reach. At that time, the elite of the party nomenclature of the Soviet Union spent their holidays here. Holiday makers came from all over the Union. Many of them rented accommodation from local people during their holidays. The locals and residents of the surrounding villages made a good profit from this, as in addition to renting out accommodation, they sold a considerable amount of vegetables, fruit, and dairy products to the tourists. However, the development of the town almost came to a standstill after the events of 26 April 1986. After the accident at the Chernobyl nuclear power plant, Oster was placed in the 4 zone of radioactive contamination. Tourist bases, a holiday resort, and children's pioneer camps were closed. Potential tourists and holiday makers, frightened by radiation, stopped coming to the town. Local residents, especially members of the Jewish community and young people, began to leave the town. The local marina also ceased to operate. Since then, Oster has not been a river port. Today, the town's demographic crisis continues, leading to a steady decline in population. In time, however, the town began to revive, and tourists began to visit the place again. Today, popular kayaking routes run along the Desna River within Ukraine, with many convenient places to stop. This renewed interest in the town and its surroundings was an important step in the development of Oster. New opportunities for active recreation and the unforgettable natural scenery of the Desna River attract tourists looking for adventure and tranquility in one place. Today, Oster is once again becoming an attractive destination for those who want to enjoy the natural riches of the Desna River, discover new places, and make exciting trips.